Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today just north of Wekiva Springs Park and to the northwest of Heathrow. So I'm going to show you a couple of luxury homes today. We actually just finished doing a video on one of them, which is this one right over here. As you can see, this one here was actually a little bit over 5,100 square feet with 5 bedrooms. We put that on one of our other Facebook groups, but we're going to go right now to this one over here. So this one here is actually a single-story home with 4,154 square feet. So there's a lot of space on a single-story home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with a 3-car garage. And one thing that's nice about this one here is that it also has a lot of extra little space as well. It has an office and another like flex room. So let's go ahead and go in here and show you this home. This is a luxury home. We do help obviously anywhere from new homes for new home owners, first-time homeowners, all the way to people looking for these nice luxury homes here in the Central Florida area. So as we come in, as you can see, has a very wide entrance, nice hallway. Lots of different moldings throughout. You have moldings all the way through here. You have moldings up in the ceiling. And then over here to the left, you have an office, as you can see here. And then we have a bedroom over here. Let's go show you this here. It's a nice bedroom with its closet here. And then it also has its own bathroom over here, full bathroom. So this is a bedroom suite. And then let's go ahead and show you the rest of this home. So as we come through here, you have a 2-car garage right through here, through these doors here, with a half bath over here. And then you have your dining room. You have like a little butler's pantry here. 2 ways to get to the kitchen. And then you have your great room over here. So this is obviously the heart of the home right here. If you're looking for a single-story home with lots of square footage, this is one you definitely have to look at. The base price on this one is $877,990, but it is a lot of square footage. And also these properties come with anywhere from a half an acre to a 3/4 of an acre lot. So if I come over here, I'll show you a couple of the other bedrooms. So we have a bedroom here. And then this has the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have the dual sinks here, the shower over here, and then the other bedroom here. And then you have a walk-in closet right here. So a very spacious closet for a spare bedroom. Let's go ahead and go over here. And then you can see this nice little butler's pantry area here. And then the kitchen is in this area here. You have the kitchen. You have the breakfast nook. Refrigerators there. This is a gas community, as you can see here. And then you also have a walk-through area here that goes back to the dining room, and also a very large and spacious pantry. And then if I go down this hallway here to the left, we're going to have like a little courtyard area on the outside. So you have a 2-car garage over here, and then over here is going to be a single-car garage. And then here's a laundry room. And then this door here goes through to the single-car garage. So let's go back through. And then as you can see back there is going to be an office. So let's go ahead and show you that. Or not an office, but like a little extra living area. So not only do you have the 4 bedrooms, but you also have an office in the front of the home, and then you have this extra like living room area here in the back, looking out to the backyard. And again, these homes come on anywhere between a half an acre to a 3/4 of an acre lot. The lot premiums are additional, but as you can see here, it's a beautiful backyard. This one they put a pool in. They have a barbecue area that's a sunken in area there. It's in the shadows there, but it's really nice. And then if I come back over here, I'll show you the outside area from these sliders as well. Obviously, if you're looking for something with really nice outdoor living, getting a home that's got the half an acre to 3/4 of an acre or more is a must to have the space that you need to have a really nice outside area. Back over here to the pantry. I'm sorry, the breakfast nook. And then you have the rest of the outside area there. So let's go ahead and show you the master bedroom, which is over here. I come in here, you can see the master. Plenty of space, look at all the windows. The ceilings and the windows in this home are amazing. They really have a lot of light that come in. You have a door here that goes out to the outside area. And then, of course, the yard in the back. And then over through here, you'll have your master bathroom. You have your tub there. You have your bathroom sink there. And that's just one, and then you have another sink over here on this side as well. Your tub, your shower, and as you can see, the ceilings here are just very, very high. It looks like 12-foot ceilings here, and it looked like about 15-foot ceilings in the family room. I don't have my little laser measure with me today, but I'm pretty good at estimating. And then here you have the his and hers closet. You have a closet here, and then another closet here. So lots of space, again, 4,154 square feet, all on a single floor. So if you are looking for that luxury single floor home plan, this is one that you do want to come and look at. It's located, again, it's just located just north of Wekiva Springs, right across the street. Actually, you can walk right across the street and you can get onto the Seminole Wekiva walking path, nature path, which is really popular. So if you are interested in seeing this home, make sure you give me a call. My name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. You can call or text anytime. If you're a realtor watching this and you're looking to maybe look at different brokerage opportunities, also give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about Preferred Real Estate Brokers. It's a great company to work for. So thank you all for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.